Namaste and hello. This is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 218, where we will be continuing with directional adjectives that has three stems. So we have the following words. Again, they're color coded. Yellow is the strong stem. The blue is the weak stem. I'm sorry. The blue is the middle stem, and then the white is the weak stem. So yellow strong, blue middle, and then white weak. So the following vocabulary words that we have, and I would suggest that you will write this down in your vocabulary notebook and put this as directional adjectives. So we have downward, which is nyach, right, which is samyach, upward is udach, following is anvach, and pervading is vishwach. Then we have their examples of how to form the stems. And that's why we're not showing you the entire table, but this will give you an idea of how you need to form these stems. So for nominative singular, remember, like they could be declined in both the masculine and in the neuter gender. So the reason why you're seeing yellow and blue is because for neuter nominative singular, you're taking the middle stem. You're not taking the strong stem. But for masculine nominative singular, you are taking that strong stem. So you end up with nyan so we're going to go over the masculine. We'll go it over across, actually. We'll do that. So downward is nyach. So masculine nominative singular, you have nyan. For nominative singular neuter, we have, actually, let's go over them from top to bottom. So downward, right, upward, following, and pervading. The yellow here is all the nominative singular for the masculine gender. So we're going to go over that. So we have nyan, samyan, udan, anvan, and vishwan. So remember the strong stem for adjectives of direction that ends in unch, but the cha is reduced to the nga. The cha is reduced, leaving the nasal consonant in place because the two consonants can't end together. So that's why you're ending up with a palatal nga. Cha cha ja ja nga. Now for the nominative singular, remember for the nominative singular, for the neuter, you're using the middle stem. So that is going to end, the middle stem ends in ach. But since you're not doing anything to it, that cha has to convert into a ka according to the consonant sandhis. So for nominative singular, going from top to bottom, you have nyak, samyak, udak, anvak, and vishak. Now for nominative plural, for the masculine that is, you're ending up with nyanchaha, samyanchaha, udanchaha, anvanchaha, and vishwanchaha. For instrumental singular, we are working with the weak stem. And remember, if it's ending, if a ya is becoming before the ach, then your stem is going to be each. And then if your ach is being preceded by a va, for example, following unwach, you're going to end up with uch as your stem. So on that note, for instrumental singular, going from top to bottom, we have nicha, samicha, udicha, anucha, and vishucha. So anucha and vishucha. And then for locative plural, we have the middle stem. So we have nyakshu, samyakshu, udakshu, and anvakshu, and vishwakshu. And now moving on to some other directional adjectives that are directional. So tiryach is horizontal, and that has a weak stem tirshwa. And then parach, which means turned away. Prach means eastern. Avach means southern. And these directions only have two stems. So the strong stem is in anch. The strong stem is in anch, and then the weak stem is in ach. So we don't have a middle stem here. So I actually had to change the colors of that because there's no middle stem. So now we can get started. So tiryach, parach, prach, and avach are the original directions, and then after they are declined for nominative singular, for masculine going down in the yellow, that's going to take the strong stem. We have tiryan, paran, pran, and avan. Since there's no middle stem, you're going to use the weak stem instead. So for neuter nominative singular going down, you're going to have tiryak, parak, prak, and avak. That's because the weak stem is ach, correct? But then that final cha has to be changed into a ka according to consonant sandhis. Then for nominative plural, we're taking the strong stem again for the masculine gender. So we have tiryanchaha, paranchaha. Then we have pranchaha and avanchaha. Then for instrumental singular and locative plural, we are taking the weak stems all the way because there's no middle stem. So for instrumental and instrumental singular, starting from top to bottom, we have tirancha, paracha, pracha, and avacha. And then locative plural, we have tiryankshu, parakshu, prakshu, and avakshu. So these are the several directional adjectives that are given to you to add on from the last video. And with this is your Sanskrit instructor signing off with a namaste.